Ngayon, ang umakansin nyo ngayon are not philosophical yet because you're just struggling to survive in this cruel and overpopulated world. Ang una natin gagawin ngayong araw ay magpasalamat tayo. Una, magpasalamat tayo sa magulang natin at sa ating kamag-anak, yung pa-eskwela sa atin. Biro mo, ang masakripisyo nila, ang luha nila at pawis na pinatulog para lang makaabot tayo dito. Kaya all you have to do is verbalize, say, thank you. And give. The mother, the father, the aunt, or the generous uncle, whoever relative, helped you and supported you during these grueling years to come and sit here today with the title of graduate.